Hey guys, welcome back to App Mentor. Today, let me show you how you can switch your Instagram account back to a personal account. So let's get started. First, let's open Instagram and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. After that, look for Professional Dashboard just below your bio and tap on it. In the top right corner of the Professional Dashboard, tap the gear icon to go to Business Settings. Next, scroll down and tap on Switch Account Type and then select Switch to Personal Account. Instagram will notify you about losing certain businesses features. If you are sure, confirm by tapping Switch to Professional Account. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!